am going to show you how to attach the iSmartGate to the door. As you have already put the internal batteries in, you should install the sensor on the top of the garage door. The sensor's arrow has to be pointing upwards. Open the cover and you should see the exposed terminals. Please visit the compatibility checker on our webpage to know where you have to connect the iSmart cable. As you have previously configured door 1 during the setup, now you need to connect gate 1's exit cables to control board connectors. Now you should plug in the iSmartGate that we had previously configured and close the motor box. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes and check that the garage can be opened and closed with the app.